Hello pool players, Ron here. Got a great video for you guys today. We're going to shoot 4 shots from 2 positions that really require us to hit these shots with power, but yet with finesse. Kind of a continuation of that last video that I put out. But we're going to have to shoot this a little bit differently. So the first shot is set up here where the 8 ball is 1 diamond up from this short rail and 1 ball width off the side rail. The next one, we're going to be 1 diamond over from the side rail and 1 ball width up off the short rail. So the first shot is going to be 3 cushions. We've got to hit these shots with finesse. We cannot hit these very hard. We've got to really spin the cue ball, real loose fingers, limp wrist, and we've got to kind of stroke this shot. We're going to hit left spin here. It's got to go in clean as well. That's really good right there. Now, the next shot, same thing. We're setting it up here. Remember, I always use paper reinforcements. Best way, the fastest way to learn this game is to have an apples to apples comparison. If you don't get that position or you don't make that shot, you can adjust your aim, you can adjust your speed, your spin, all of that based on the same position. So now we're going to play this 2 cushion shot, which is very similar to my last video where I was at the 2nd diamond, and we've got to draw it back up here and have a good look at this 9. So once again, loose fingers, limp wrist. You got to flick this wrist. Don't hit it hard. Pretty good shot there. A little harder, it would have been straight in almost. Let's shoot that one more time because that one there is a lot easier than that first one. Don't think I hit it quite right. I kind of stunned it a little bit. This time I'm going to really work to get it to come down to maybe this diamond. Real low level cue here. Wow, look at that. Almost scratched. Wow. That's unusual to even get it to come that far. That was hit extremely good. One more time. We've got to hit that one again. I'm still going to stroke it like I just did because that's super unusual. I've never had one come that close to scratching from this angle. You know, this cue ball is set up right at mid-table. That ball is 1 diamond up and 1 ball width off. Now we're going to hit this. I'm going to aim for this diamond right here. It's a real big spinner here. That's real good there. So see how this is working? Got to have this shot. Okay, now we're going to move to the other location, which is right here. This is a difficult shot, but once again, these are advanced intermediate shots that you really need to have. So this one, I'm using the stripe ball here so you can kind of see the spin. I'm going to try to play position to this side and to this side and pocket in that pocket up there. So the first one, let's go ahead and try to get to this side. A lot of inside spin here, right spin. Got to hit it thin. I really want to try to hit below the side pocket. If I hit above, I'm going to come too much into the 9. So we don't want to hit too much side spin here. About a tip of right. I went above. I got away with it. Let's try to shoot that one more time. You can see it's a real light hit because it's so thin that you'll have to have your table speed a little bit down. Okay, let's see if we can do better though. Pretty good shot. A little less, I'm going to use an open bridge this time, a little bit less side spin. I still hit above it. Pretty good though. Problem when you go above it is if you hit it just a little bit less spin, you'll hit this point and then the cue ball will bounce out here. So you got to be careful of that. But anyway, To keep the video moving, let's go ahead and shoot again a different shot. Now this shot is a lot harder, but it's one that I really love. It's one that you have to have. It's a thin, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. I got to get to this side of it with that shot. So once again, we're going to shoot just kind of a center ball hit here. We don't want to scratch in the pocket that I'm at, so we got to be careful here. A little bit of left. See how I hit it lightly? You got to have that shot. Got to be careful not to scratch. Try to make it stop before the corner. Or if you put a little more spin on it, you can hit this rail right here and then roll to there. But you'll know that as you experiment. Okay, so now here's the shot that's really difficult, but you really do have to have this shot. I have made this shot a lot in competition, and it's pretty cool. So what I'm going to try to do here is I'm going to hit low outside, so I'm going to hit low left, keeping very low level Q. And this one's a pretty shot. Did I get there? Did I get there? Did I get there? Kinda. I can make it. So let's go ahead and shoot that one again. I didn't really like that one. Could have done better. That's better. That's exactly what I'm looking for. So these are shots that you need to have. They're finesse shots with power. So if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. You got to practice this. And just to reiterate, this ball down here, one ball width off the cushion, center diamond, 2 paper reinforcements, 1 diamond up, 1 diamond over, 1 ball width out. Okay, 1 ball width out. Once again, thanks for watching, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.